In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable blocks on Squarespace. Whether you're building a new website or updating an existing one, adding blocks is a great way to customize your content and create a layout that works for you. Squarespace makes it simple to add text, images, buttons, and more, giving you the flexibility to design your site exactly how you envision it. So let's get started with the step-by-step process. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. First, go to the Squarespace website and log into your account. If you want a quicker option, you can select the Continue with Google button instead. This alternative lets you log in using your Google account, which can save you some time and effort. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of the websites associated with your account. Select the specific site where you want to add blocks. Now, if you manage multiple websites, double-check that you're choosing the correct one. It's easy to accidentally open the wrong project, especially if you're juggling several sites. Next, enter the edit mode for your selected website. This is where all the customization magic happens. Once you're in edit mode, navigate to the section of your site where you'd like to add a new block. Hover your cursor over the left side of that section. As you do this, you'll notice an option to add block appear. Go ahead and click on it. Now it's time to choose the type of block you'd like to add. Squarespace offers a variety of options to suit different needs. For example, you can select a text block if you want to add written content, an image block to showcase visuals, a button block for interactive links, or even a gallery block to display multiple images in a creative layout. Think about what kind of content fits your page best, and then make your selection. After you've added your block, the final step is to customize it. This is where you bring your vision to life. If you added a text block, you can type directly into it and format your text to match your style. For image blocks, upload a photo and adjust its placement or size. Button blocks can be personalized with your chosen text and linked to any page or external URL. Take your time here to tweak the details until everything looks just the way you want it. And that's how you enable blocks on Squarespace. By following these steps, you can add and customize content blocks to make your website more dynamic and engaging. If you have any questions or want to share ideas for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.